How to fix Instagram not loading and not working on iPhone. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check for the updates for the app Instagram. So launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you'll need to check your internet connection. So launch settings, click on the option Wi-Fi, click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forget this network, you will first restart your router and then rejoin it. Switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. With these, your Instagram might work. If these solutions didn't work out for you, check your storage in your iPhone. So navigate to the option General. Click on the option iPhone Storage. Make sure you have enough storage in your device. If not, you can delete or offload the unused apps. Now you can launch your Instagram and check whether it is working or not. Still it is not loading or working, completely delete it from your device. So press and hold on it, click on remove app, click on delete app, click on delete. Then navigate to App Store, search for the app Instagram and then install it. Likewise, you can try to access Instagram account in the web version. So launch your preferred browser and navigate to the website instagram.com. Try accessing your Instagram account in the web version. So these are some fixes for Instagram not loading and not working on iPhone. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.